today we are going to talk about tactical arbitrage because earlier in the day we received a question from Brydon Murray on the Discord server, which is there a recommended package for tactical arbitrage? Talking about the pricing plans from the cheapest flip pack to the most expensive full suit, right? And it's true that I looked myself at the pricing structure for online arbitrage, and it may be confusing for beginners. So we are going to go over every single plan. I'm going to tell you which plan that I use myself, and we are going to talk about tactical expander. Where does it fall into those price plans? We're going to talk about all that. But by the way, before I do, we link in the description. We have a Discord server, as you saw. It's the best place to ask any question you may have regarding selling on Amazon. If you want to reach out to me, best place to do it. Still, leave comments in these videos because it helps with the algorithm and stuff. So I would appreciate it if you ask some questions in the comments as well. But like, if you want some more personal, customized help, if you really want me to be able to talk to you, link in the description for the Discord, right? So, as I said, if you want to know which plan I'm using myself, it's the online arbitrage plus wholesale plan, because it's basically this plan plus this plan. It's those two plans together for cheaper. I'm not doing a lot of wholesale, but I'm using this for online arbitrage, as I said, and I'm going to show you how. The thing is that, as I said, it looks confusing because the first plan that you see is the flip back, and like, you do not really care about those two features. I mean, I'm going to try them myself, but your whole strategy, your whole online arbitrage strategy is not going to revolve around Amazon flips and library search. I mean, it could, but like it's not going to be the case right now. So the feature you want to go after, as I said, are the product search feature and the reverse search feature, because like, if you use tactical arbitrage, it's more than likely to actually scan websites, right? And this is the product search feature. This is this feature that you want to look after if you want to scan websites to find some leads, right? And it's only getting to available with the online arbitrage pack. It's not available with the other packs that are before on the cheapest pack. So this is why you should get this one. Same thing with the reverse search, guys. So the reverse search, I have a few videos on this, by the way, so check the link right there. I have a great video on reverse search. It's a great feature because it allows you to scan a lot of ASINs at one, a lot of storefronts at one, if you have other tools to work with at the same time. Because if you just use the reverse search directly with how is it called? With tactical arbitrage, you only can do I'm going to show you, and it's not here. So you can only do 6 storefronts. It's here, it's somewhere here. Yeah, you can only do 8 storefronts now. I thought it was 6. 8 storefronts by 24 hours, right? Every 24 hours. Yeah, every 24 hours. So you get a new credit every 3 hours. But like, if you have other tools and stuff, such as tactical expander, you can just scan a whole lot of different storefront at the same time and without using these tokens, these credits, right? So talking about tactical expander, it's not going to be available with any of those packages. It's a whole different software that costs like $29 a month, I think, something like that. And it's a great tool because it allows you to scan a lot of other websites, right, that are not on tactical arbitrage. And you want to remember this. If you can add some websites to tactical arbitrage, it's going to be way cheaper it's going to be way better for you because you have less competition. So everybody has tactical arbitrage, but not everybody has tactical expanders. For example, if you want to scan, you can scan, for example, Puma. Let's say Puma. Puma is on tactical expander. And you're going to have less competition because not as many people are actually scanning Puma, right? So for example, let me show you. If I wanted to scan this, if I wanted to scan the sales on Puma, I'm going to open tactical expander right there, and I'm going to run a scan, and it's a software that lives in the Chrome. It's a Chrome extension, actually. And so as you can see, it's going to start scraping the website. Let's just let it run for a little bit. It's going to get some product right there. Give it a second so it actually scraped the product. Here we go. So we're going to stop it here. And so what you can do is export it to tactical arbitrage. And after that, when you run your search, so let me just open a product search, you can actually turn on tactical expander and choose the search. So for example, yeah, you see that I've tried to scan Nordstrom Rack, Dick's Sporting Good, Adidas, Belk, Walgreens, Target. I'm scanning all those websites with tactical expander, and that's how you would do it. Instead of choosing a website right here, you would just turn this on with tactical expander, and you can import the search that you've done and then run the search on tactical arbitrage. So it costs a little bit more per month, but it's a tool that is super worth it because you have so many websites to scan. So let me just show you the list of websites. We are gonna go over a few. Like just post a video if you want. I'm not gonna, but like you have different you have websites in different countries, and so yeah, so if you want to pause, look at the websites that they have a ton of websites, some of them that are not working anymore, but like it's, you know, you have a lot of websites where you can make good money. So yeah, if you want to pause and look at them, I'm gonna scroll down through all of them. Maybe I'm going a little bit fast, but that way, you know, you can slow down the video and pretty much figure out all the websites that they have. So Tactile Expander is a great tool. Now let's talk about the wholesale feature on Tactical Arbitrage. So let me just close this. So the wholesale search feature it's not just for wholesale. So what you can do is you can upload a CSV full of asins, full of UPC, full of products, and even if there's no UPC, you can just have the product name, the product picture, and Tactical Arbitrage are gonna find the match. They are gonna find the match on Amazon for those products, right? And the way I'm using it is not for wholesale mainly, but I have some custom scripts for some website. And if you've seen the video on Ulta, on how to scan Ulta, I told you that I have a custom script to scan the sales at Ulta, because sometimes they do not work on Tactical Arbitrage, right? You cannot scan the sales at Ulta on Tactical Arbitrage. And it's actually such a great opportunity, because when something is not working on Tactical Arbitrage, way less people are actually checking that specific page, a specific website, a specific section of a website, and so there's a great opportunity over there to make money, right? So what I do is I use this feature to upload CSVs, because my script will return a CSV full of the product on the website. I also have scripts for websites that are not on Tactical Arbitrage, and I will use the wholesale feature to scan. If you want a whole video on that, I'll show you how it works. I'll show you with the Ulta script, but this is not the only way that you can add websites to Tactical Arbitrage, and I'll make a whole video on that as well, on how to add website with Tactical Arbitrage. But you can add websites with XPath. Now, XPath is like a website structure, right? It's a way to navigate a website. I do not know. I'm not a developer, to be honest, but like it's, from what I understand, it's a way you can navigate a website. Now, some websites actually use this technology, some websites don't. And like, if a website uses that technology, and a lot of websites do, you can add that website directly into Tactical Arbitrage super easily by adding the XPath. No, it's not easy. You can learn how to do it yourself. There's a guy who made a video on YouTube. I'll link to it but like just look at how to create XPath for Tactical Arbitrage. Just type that on YouTube and you can find it. No, it's not easy. So if you want my developer to do it for you, just open a ticket. I'll make a whole video on that, but I'll have a new button on the ticket. If you want us to check if you can actually get an XPath on the website, if you want us to do it for you, we'll charge $15 if you want the XPath. So this is the same thing that you're gonna pay if you go to other websites and you find people to do it for you, except that if the XPath stops working, we will provide you the new XPath for free. All right, I'll talk more about that in a new video. This is not the subject of this video. If you want an XPath, just open a ticket on the Discord server, and we'll get you the XPath for any website that you want, as long as there's, the XPath are working on those websites. Now, so that is with the wholesale search feature. So let's talk about the other features. We have the Amazon Flip features, which is a feature that allows you to find those opportunities on Amazon where you can buy products whenever Amazon is in stock, like for super cheap, and then sell them back on Amazon when Amazon goes out of stock. It's a great strategy. It's a strategy that I haven't dove into yet, and that I'm gonna start implementing in the near future. I don't know exactly when, because I'm working on a lot of stuff, but this is something that I definitely want to do. The library search, I do not really know. From what I understand, it's you can find used books and stuff doing this. I do not want to sell used book anymore, so yeah. But let me just show you the features. So yeah, always be scanning is, I'm never using that, to be honest. It's just always scanning online arbitrage website, but I've never found leads with that, and maybe I should look at it more often. But yeah, so that's Tactical Arbitrage. Get the online arbitrage package, and yeah, one more thing, you get 40,000 minutes a month, right? And you can buy more minutes for $20 a month. And the way they do it, I have a whole video ready on that subject. The way they do it does not make sense, but like, if you upgrade your package, if you change your capacity, just make sure to only do it once a month, or because they are gonna charge you a prorated amount on the first transaction, but the second transaction, the prorated amount is not going to be calculated right. So just remember to just do it once. I'll release a video going more in depth into this. So yeah, guys, that's today's video. I'm gonna make more videos on tactical arbitrage because I think I haven't done enough, and I'd like to dive deeper in every single feature, because yeah, I need to. And there's some stuff that there's a lot of guys in the Discord server that knows tactical arbitrage better than I do. So because my use of it is pretty basic. I just scan website and I do not use any advanced feature except XPath and all that stuff. So I'm gonna make a whole series going deeper into tactical arbitrage. I don't know when, but I think I may make a playlist and make one video here and there when I start using new features, and like to show you how I use it. I'm gonna do the same thing with Be Cool, because there's some features that I'm not using. So yeah, guys, that's today's video. Watch those other videos on the screen. I hope you liked it. We'll just tune in, subscribe, like this video. I release a new video every single day, so be ready for tomorrow's video. Come on in Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.